The stingrays that we find in the fossil record are identical to stingrays we find today. Squids are identical. Lobsters, identical to those we find today. Cockroaches as well. Shield bugs, or what you might call stink bugs, are identical to those we find today. Frogs, bats, again, lizards, centipedes, spiders, flying ants, snakes, turtles, crickets, scorpions, flies. The list just will go on and on and on.
Darwin acknowledged a problem that defied explanation: the Cambrian fossil record. Here, the basic body plans of major animal groups that still exist today, and many others now extinct, made their first appearance in the fossil record so suddenly that biologist Richard Dawkins noted, "It is as though they were just planted there, without any evolutionary history." Since Darwin, excavations on every continent have revealed the magnitude of the explosion of life, an event that was clearly global in scope.
These layers that you see in Grand Canyon, the layers of rocks that contain fossils, are laterally continuous. One of the laws of stratigraphy is known as the law of lateral continuity, which basically states that the layers of rocks that contain fossils basically extend forever, until they are either truncated by some geographical barrier or taper off at the continental shelves. A great many of these layers can be traced all the way across North America. Now, not all of them, because some of them have definitely been uplifted or eroded away, these kind of things. But there's the Grand Canyon and the layers of rocks that are exposed in the Grand Canyon, and where these can be traced from Arizona all the way to Utah. The layers of rocks that contain fossils are vast in the extent to which they cover continents. Yet we cannot find sediments forming like that today. Sediments are the particulates that are eroded by actions such as water and wind, the little particulates that are being carried by a stream, and when that stream empties into a large body of water, its velocity slows, and the sediments that it was carrying will fall out of solution and form what's called a river delta. A big fan-shaped deposit will form right there. They form in other ways, but generally they're very localized, form in very limited spans. They don't cover in hundreds of miles of space like this.